Experience the wonder, experience new life. A world full of color stretches the sky if we wake up our hearts and see it all.
Before UBTech, I didn't know anything about the heavy-duty diesel industry. But after I graduated, I got a job right off the bat.
I've always had a passion for welding, so I came to UBTech to learn from the best, and I already have a job lined up.
UBTech has partnerships with other universities that allow me to seamlessly pursue my career in becoming a registered nurse.
8 years ago, I was watching a cooking show with my grandpa, and I thought that would be really cool to become a chef, and now I'm making it happen.
Discover it all.
My wife and I wanted to spend more time together, so we're taking a CDL training at UBTech to become team drivers.
Skills USA is offered at UBTech, and this year I was able to place gold in motorcycle technology, and because of that, I'm off to nationals.
I've always wanted a career in interior design, and cabinetry is giving me the hands-on experience I need.
I love the medical field, and my goal is to become an oncologist.
The flexibility of the business courses at UBTech taught me time management skills and helped me enter the workforce with confidence.
I came to UBTech to learn electrical skills that I will need for my future so I don't make a mistake like this.
Discover it all.
I've always wanted to go into the medical field, and I found that this pharmacy technician experience would be a very stable job.
I've always liked to create things with my hands, and this class allows me to do that.
Because of UBTech, I have a clearer vision of where I am now and how to take my farm into the future.
Discover it all.
UBTech has turned my passions into reality, providing me with the stepping stones to CNA, to MA, to one day my LPN.
I took one of the technology program at UBTech, and now I'm a support technician, and this is what I do.
This is college.
This is college.
This is college.
This.
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 This is college.
Discover it all.